New smart gadgets for every home in 2022 and 2022. With the rise of the smart home, we are in the middle of a smart gadget revolution. From refrigerators with smartphone apps to washing machines with built-in cameras, smart devices are improving our lives daily. Did you know that there is a smart gadget for every kitchen or bathroom in the world? In this article, we take a look at the top 10 products that will be the most popular in 2022. From the smart walls that can be controlled by your smartphone to the smart toothbrush that can tell you when you need a cleaning, these gadgets are going to be a game changer. Make sure you check this article out. 1. The 10 best smart gadgets for kitchens and bathrooms in 2022. The future is already here, and it is called smart gadgets. They make our lives so much easier and more convenient. From the kitchen to the bathroom, there are so many smart gadgets that can make your life easier. These gadgets can be used for anything from cooking to saving water. Here are the 10 best smart gadgets for kitchens and bathrooms in 2022. Smart oven. The oven will be able to cook food to a specific temperature that you specify. Smart toilet. This gadget will alert you when it needs to be flushed. Smart mirror. The mirror will be able to detect when your skin is dry and show you how to moisturize. Smart dishwasher. This smart dishwasher will automatically wash dishes, load and unload them, and dry them. Smart fridge. The fridge will be able to control when food is being refrigerated. Smart coffee maker. This smart coffee maker will let you know when it's time to make a fresh pot of coffee. Smart water meter. The water meter will be able to save water by automatically shutting off the water when it is not being used. Smart toilet brush. This smart toilet brush will let you know when. 2. The 10 best smart gadgets for kitchens and bathrooms in 2022. The future of smart appliances is here and it's getting smarter every day. The 2020s have brought us the Internet of Things and now, the Internet of Things for your kitchen and bathroom. In 2022, you'll be able to have the best smart gadgets for your kitchen and bathroom, including a smart juicer, smart oven mitt, smart toothbrush, and more. You will also have the convenience of being able to control every appliance from your phone, which is a great way to save time and money. 3. The 10 best smart gadgets for kitchens and bathrooms in 2022. Although the advancements in technology have made life easier for many people, some people still have a hard time adjusting. For example, some people still have a hard time figuring out how to use their microwave. The best way to fix this problem is to purchase a high-tech microwave that is easy to use. The following are the 10 best smart microwave gadgets for kitchens and bathrooms that you can buy in 2022. 1. Sous vide smart oven. 2.